So this is my first time driving a Tesla, and this is just an otherworldly experience. It's not like driving any other electric vehicle. It's just crazy. And I've got it in the stopping mode and hold mode. So basically the car just automatically brakes for you. It's just crazy. And that helps with the regenerative charging of the battery and all that. And I don't know if you can see the gauge cluster, but it's always looking for obstructions or anything on the side of the road, anything like that. It's just insane. But the ride is just so comfortable, and I love that electric whiz going on. It's just so cool. And for this being an electric vehicle, the braking is just fantastic. It really is. Wow. This thing is so quick, it's crazy. Just the acceleration, I barely put my foot down and it just threw me back. Oh man, this is awesome. Oh man. Whoo! This isn't even the fastest Tesla you can get, and this thing is crazy fast. Thing's just incredible. And I mean, it's reading every vehicle. I kind of wonder what all the hype was about the Tesla when they first came out, but I see why, especially driving this 2020 Model X, just all the technology that's involved. It's just fantastic. Every single bit of this vehicle is fantastic. And I mean, the acceleration on these is just, it feels like you're driving a supercharged vehicle. It really does. right, so I've got the autopilot engaged right now. And I'm not doing anything, except I am turning because I'm kind of frightened, but but that's the autopilot doing everything. It's accelerating, staying in between the lines. It's doing the speed limit. It's just crazy. And of course, every so often it wants you to touch it just so it knows you're paying attention. And this is not meant to be something that you can fall asleep while you're driving. People do that all the time in videos or whatever, but it's really, really nice to have, especially on a long road trip. So just a really neat feature. And like I said, I'm covering my foot over the gas and the brake just because I've never used this before, but it's really something remarkable. It really is. That is so crazy. Oh, me. And it's inching up in traffic and everything. Just crazy. And it even shows the lights like they're red. And I took control of the steering wheel once again, but it's just so strange to me that this car is driving itself. I'm panicking just a little bit, trying to let the auto steer do everything. But that's my review of the 2020 Tesla Model X long range.